Yo, 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 welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I am reminiscing on an old silhouette, but with a new 2021 remix. Vibe. Let's go. Hello people, welcome back. For all those who have been in my channel before, thank you for coming back. If you're new to channel, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. In fact, hit the like button in a minute once you've seen what I'm doing. If you don't hit the like button, I'm gonna be disappointed, but definitely hit subscribe button because it'll bring you back to my channel and you can see more videos what I put up anyway. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get straight into this. Today we are talking about the ZX 6000s, but with a twist. This is the ZX 0006 Inside Out. Let's just get straight to this. Let's do what we normally do. Here's the box. It's a typical Adidas box. 3 stripes, blue. Details there with a leaf on the top. Big leaf and stripes there, and again a little leaf there. Usual recycling stuff at the bottom. Nothing to write home about this. The details say it's a ZX 0006 Inside Out Clear Aqua Light. Oh my god, this colorway. This was one of the original colorways when it came out. So let me give you a bit of history. The ZX 8000s were the first of this silhouette to come out, and this included, it was the first time they'd done the torsion bar underneath. Okay, that's that yellow bar you see on all the ZX. The next year, 1989, they released the ZX 6000s. Now they look very similar, but there's just little redesigns on them, etc., and obviously they probably used different materials at the time, etc., because they just built on them. You know what Adidas do. They've had a ZX range for a long time, upped them again in 2014, the ZX Flux. I think a lot of people got those, and then everyone got really sick of those. Like, I think the thing was, you wouldn't check a girl if she had a ZX Flux. That's how deep it was, and you know, everyone had them. But anyway, let's just get straight into this. So what I'll do, I've got a pair of ZX 8000s here. So when I've gone through this one, I'll show you and explain to you what the differences are, so you can see that there's gonna be a huge difference with this in terms of, this is a inside out trainer. I'm not even showing you the trainer yet, but this is a huge difference because it's an inside out trainer. And what it basically means is they've taken the material and just turned it inside out. So you'll see all the stitching, all the exposed foam, etc. So let's do what we normally do. Let's start, I'm not going to show you the trainer properly, but let's start with the sole. We have the typical ZX sole. We have, you know, the grips around the side, the big ball in the middle, the torsion, so what do you call it, the torsion bar straight there, as you can see, torsion, and then you've got the center spot there, the bullseye in the heel and goes around. Typical black sole, no different color, and the midsole is the aqua blue that travels down into cutways. You can see that underneath. It's a foam midsole, quite hard as you expect. I think these yellow things here, it's like a support bar. You've got another one on the inside of the heel just there. Sticking with the heel, if we just go around the shoe, at the top you've got a, what would be, it used to be suede. That's what used to be suede, but this is Inside Out. You see, now it's a perforated type of material. I don't know if suede is on the inside because you just can't see because of the inside lining, but that is covered with the heel support, which again is a plastic heel support, TPU, I think they call it. And you can see the graphite type finish on the inside, which is standard. You can see the perforated holes going around, and you can see the exposed foam, which travels around it too. They used to have like, I think they had the Adidas sign there or something like that? I can't remember anyway, but that's blank there this time, just perforated. On top here is another clear plastic, clear TPU plastic, and underneath that is a silver strip of material. I think that probably glows at the dark. I don't know. That plastic silver, so that plastic see-through material comes around under the ankle part as well, and the lining inside is a bright yellow, as you can see, quite cushiony all the way around everywhere. And that brings us down to the tongue. So you've got the Aqua Blue label with a yellow leaf on it and Adidas written in purple. The tongue itself is completely covered in TPU clear plastic, and the material underneath, I'm assuming, is what the material would be, but it's inside out. That's why they've got the plastic on top. That TPU carries along around the eyelets of the shoelaces, all the way around, all the way up at the top. You've got a purple eyelet at the top there, which I suppose you can double up your laces. Whoever does that, I don't do that, so I don't know. And you've got aqua blue laces there. The laces are quite thin. They're not thick laces. You've got the traditional torsion lace tag there. Down here, this would be a suede material that's turned inside out. Again, you can see the exposed foam and the stitching. Going on to the toe box, you have like a plastic mesh, as you can hear that there. And then here, this design here used to be a suede overlay there as well. You can see where it goes in again over. It's covered by that plastic TPU on the top as well. That carries on around. The overlays are all plastic TPU. This one on the side is darkish purple. But again, you can see the three stripes. They have all stitching. Now that would be the leather three stripes, and you'd never see the stitching on the leather. You just see the three stripes. So again, that's inside out. And the purple part, which is on the original color, you can just about see like a little highlight on the three stripes there. That basically is the shoe. It covers the whole way around. I love this color. I'm not going to lie to you. This color was the original color, what everyone wanted. This came out at the same time as Jordan brought out Air Maxes with a bubble. So you'd either got the Jordan Maxes, because you couldn't afford both of them. You had to choose one, Nike or Adidas. If you were at Adidas, you was kind of jealous of the Max ones because you still like the air bubble, but you had to choose. Money, for me, it might be for, but for me, I couldn't afford both. And there was no way I'd ask my mum for both and get slapped in my head. You know what I mean? They're expensive as they were at the time. So let me just show you the difference between the 8000 and 6000. Here's the 8000. This is the Bape silhouette or the collab of the 8000s. But they've kept it real. They haven't really changed anything on this. Like I said, at the toe box, instead of where the suede was just a little bit on the toe box there, as you can see, on this one, the suede or leather carried on all the way around. You see that. The overlays are slightly different design. This is more squarish, where this one had a bit more curves to it, as you can see from the plastic there. But all in all, it was almost exactly the same trainer. On foot, this is true to size. It's like, some Adidas are smaller. This is actually true to size. know, they actually released 3 different Inside Outs. One was called Inside Out X-Ray, and the other 2, which is the Aqua one and a grey. That's what they called it, Inside Out Aqua and grey. I went for this because it's sentimental to me. This colour, if you know, you know. That's all I can really say to you. It's a bright colour. It's not something what everyone would look at now, but like I said to you, it's a sentimental colour to me. It just pops childhood to me. That's all I can say. Love this shoe. Love the way it feels. It always feels like it supports you well. And if you can get your hands on them, and this colorway means, or you want to try the other colorways, you know, it's something you wouldn't miss. They're a bit out there. I would hate to get, like any trainer, would hate to get this in the rain, but obviously it's got to be waterproof. But yeah, I love it, man. That's me. That's it. ZX 0006 Inside Out Aqua Light. So that's me. If this video gave you a little context, please like, subscribe, and hit notification bell if you haven't done so already. If you want to buy these, again, I'm leaving a link below so you don't miss out. And that's it. That's me. That's Patrick T out. Peace.